Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today we're going to look at the Cobra Fortis cylinder mower and also the lawn care system, of which there are 6 interchangeable cylinders which will help to keep your lawn in perfect condition. When you buy a Fortis cylinder mower, this is what it comes with, a 6 blade, which will give an amazing cut finish to your lawn. But there are lots of cassettes that we can change into, and this is one of them. This is the Verticut. Now you might say to yourself, why do we need all these attachments to go on it? Well, if you want to keep your lawn in really good pristine condition, or in fact if you're a professional and you need the turf to be fine, these are really essential for that purpose, and this is the Verticut. Now if we think about it, a cylinder mower cuts horizontally, it's cutting the grass as it goes forward. This is cutting vertically downwards, and the reason for that is it's to stop the spread of invasive grasses that grow outwards, because if you don't do that, they will then take over and smother the finer upward growing grasses. With the Verticut, the aim is to just slice through the grass but not into the soil. We're not actually rotavating the lawn, and we can adjust that of course there with the height adjuster, which takes the front roller up and down. And if I just put the height adjustment bar across, which you get, we can see there, if I lay that on its back, the blades here are just at what we call zero soil level, so we're cutting through the grass and just skimming the top of the surface, and that way we get a lovely cut without doing any damage to the lawn. It also helps to prevent weed growth because any spreading weeds are also cut. And the idea with this system is when the grass is actively growing through the season, you would use it every 6 weeks in different directions. So over the summer, you are cross-cutting, and it will help to stimulate new growth, thicker sward on your lawn, eliminate those invasive grasses and slow down weed growth. So let's have a go with the Verticutter. So as you can see, just one pass with the Verticutter has taken quite a bit of material out, and we've not cut deep at all, but it's taken some of that horizontal growth, some of the dead material that's in there, and it's been chopping lightly through the weeds in there. And if you look at where we've been with the Verticutter, you can just see those fine lines where it's literally just cut through the grass but not into the soil. And as I mentioned, you've got to do this on a regular basis through the growing season when the grass is actively in growth. If you do it every 6 weeks and change the direction, and we can go diagonally as well, over the season that will greatly improve the quality of the sward, and you'll get a much healthier lawn as a result of that. And one last thing that I would do just to finish this off is to now change back to the cylinder cutter and just top the grass, and it will get rid of these bits that have been pulled up, the tufty bits, just to give a superb finish. For more information on the Cobra Fortis range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.